So curtain walls in their 60 years of history have undergone some evolutions. They went from a stick-built system, which was kind of a tinker toy set, individual pieces that were put together in the field and then glazed, later on to a pressure wall system that was sort of a series of ladders that were then also glazed in the field, and then into what we call a unitized system where entire large panels are hung on the building at one time. The pitfalls of the current unitized systems, the way I see it, are they're reliant on 4 points of contact. Slabs deflect over time, and those panels are going to begin to rotate and become out of alignment. TingWall, which is a hybrid of a structural grid plus a unitized panel. What that does is it isolates the building movement from the glazed panel to a much greater extent, so it allows a certain amount of flexibility when extreme events happen, such as earthquakes, hurricanes, high wind loads, building slab deflections. The frame immediately around that piece of glass still remains square, and that's key in protecting the glass, which protects the environment, and protecting against water leakage. The basic principle of the air loop is that there are multiple relatively open chambers around each glazed frame, and these chambers progressively reduce the force of the wind and the volume of the water. The window and curtain wall industry is moving in some exciting directions right now. The involvement of solar, photovoltaic, and switchable and dimmable glasses built into the curtain wall are all very exciting for the future. The way TingWall fits into it is that TingWall has designed into their mullion an extra passageway for the placement of wires that would be supporting those types of technologies. In addition, the other enhancement that you're going to be seeing to curtain walls in the future will be more and more things that are attached to the front of it. Fins, architectural sun shelves, sun shades, signage, all of these things will be attached to the front of the curtain wall. Most curtain wall systems don't have a natural adaptation for that, but because the curtain wall system by TingWall is so open in the front and it allows access to the structural mullion, special adapter pieces that already exist can be attached right to that mullion, can penetrate through between the glass edges and provide all of those functions much more easily without puncturing the air and water barrier. Curtain walls are a beautiful enhancement to a city because they provide a lot of personality and glitter and shape and style. It's what really perks up your eyes when you look at a dazzling skyline.